Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating my signature full system conversion. This is on a Delco system. This is a conversion in which I convert the radio and then also convert the 8-Track for optimum performance to the radio. And since in this manner the 8-Track takes up the radio's aux input, so I also add an aux input to the 8-Track so you can still have an external source for your audio. The radio test will be pretty quick because I have all the presets set to stations in my area, so let's just go ahead and turn it on. Okay, we'll go off, start from this end.
Or prepare fresh meals at home.
Okay, now this will be an AM station. And that's a strong AM station I get. Okay, while we have it on talk radio, let's demonstrate our virtual balance and fader functions. We activate our front rear fader by giving our tone control 2 turns to the right.
Fader adjust.
Fader adjust. Okay, so now we're going to switch to our meter so we can see the results of our adjustment. So the same control is adjusting our front rear speaker balance. That's our virtual front rear fader. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and center the speakers. Fader set. Okay, let's try the left-right balance control. Same procedure, except we turn on tone control twice to the left.
Balance adjust.
Alrighty, so now the same control is adjusting your left-right balance. This is all done with the tone control. Okay, that looks pretty good.
Balance set.
Balance set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We do that by turning our volume control twice upwards.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so the Bluetooth is now trying to pair with a portable audio device. Of course, I don't do all that on the video. I just make sure it goes into pairing mode, indicating that it's working properly. We'll go back to this. We'll try our USB. Alrighty, remove the stick, radio comes back. Alrighty, now let's try the 8-track function. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
Prime rib dinner with all the fixings.
Okay, we're at the end of a song here, so it's a good time to check for crosstalk between songs. Okay, we don't have it. No crosstalk there, so that's good. Alrighty. Of course, I'm switching tracks a bunch of times. Alrighty. Pull the tape out, radio comes back immediately. Alrighty, now when you use the aux input, after you remove the aux source or turn it off, the radio will wait 20 seconds before coming back on. That's because of a Vox circuit so that you're not constantly switching back and forth between songs and during silent music passages. That Vox circuit holds on to the aux input a little bit longer than it really needs to, and then after 20 seconds, okay, I haven't heard anything in 20 seconds, so I guess I can let it back to the radio. So that's how that works. Let's check the dial lamp, make sure that that's working properly. I'm going to flash it on and off, and you can see, well, I guess it would be nice if you could see the radio. Alrighty, you can... Yeah, that's much better. Okay, flash the dial light on and off. You can see it through that hole right there. It's flashing on and off in response to my commands. And so this means all functions have been tested and working properly. She's ready to go back to the customer. And I'm ready to get on to the last video of the day. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This system is out of a 1976 Trans Am. It's from Rick in Waukegan, Illinois. So thank you very much, Rick, for your business from the middle of the country all the way to Arizona. My website and phone number are in the description below. I ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a 15-minute barrage of questions about my options, prices, turn times, and all that. That's all on my website. I do way too much volume to spend 15 minutes with each customer on a phone call during the day. So please visit my website first, and then you'll have an idea of what you want, how much it's going to cost, and all you have to do is just make sure that you can trust me, that I'm a good guy. A lot of customers call to make sure that they've packed their units correctly because my packing instructions are extremely strict. to prevent damage to the control set. You would not believe the way some people pack their radios. Even people, oh, I've been packing stuff for years. I know exactly how to pack. You don't know how to pack my way. You got to pack it my way. I'm not going to take the trouble of unwrapping a package and seeing a radio swimming in peanuts with bent control shafts. That's going to come right back, and I'm not going to work for you. It's that simple. So, thanks so much for watching and listening, guys, and thank you, Rick, for your business all the way from Illinois, and we'll see you guys next time. This is a full Delco system conversion that is only available in my shop.